guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to create a summer look, and I used bright orange shades and one shimmery shade. And this is a very easy look that you could wear out in the summer and look very alive, very bright, very glowy. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to begin with my Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be taking this as my primer. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is set my concealer, and I'm going to be setting it with this shade right here. Alright, so for my first transition shade, I'm going to be grabbing this light orange color. And for this shade, I'm going to be using Sephora's Tapered Crease Brush. And you're just going to be applying it in circular motions. Alright, so now moving on to my crease color. I'm going to be grabbing this bright orange. And I'm going to be focusing that color outside of my crease area. Alright, so as you can see by the shades, this is a very easy look. So far we've used those two colors, and now I'm going to go in with my shimmery shade, and I'm going to be taking this flat brush, and then this brush is from Equal Tools. I'm going to be spraying it with my Badesco setting spray. And then I'm just going to be grabbing this gold shimmery shade right here. And we're going to apply that to our lid. So what we're doing here is just bringing all colors in together. Alright, so now moving on to eyeliner. I'm going to create a small thin line, and I'm going to be using NYX Liquid Liner. Okay, so I have applied my eyelashes off camera, and I will put the name on the description box. And the next step. Alright, so now I'm going to apply some moisturizer. And I'm using Olay's Complete UV 365 Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. Of course, it's summer, so you want to protect your skin. So now I'm going to grab Tarte's Poreless Primer, and I'm going to be applying that on my face. Alright, so now for foundation, you do want to grab some foundation that has SPF because, you know, the summer, the sun is very strong. So I'm going to be grabbing my Covergirl Healthy Elixir Foundation, and this includes Spectrum SPF 20. Moving on for bronzer, I'm going to grab MAC's Blunt Color, as I always do. Alright, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to be grabbing Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. Alright, so now to set, I'm going to be grabbing my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm going to be applying that underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to use it to set, and I'm also going to use that to shape and contour a little bit of the bottom of my cheeks. Alright, so now moving back to my eyes, I'm going to be working on my lash line, and I'm going to be grabbing the bright orange, and I'm going to be applying it with this flat brush, and this is from e.l.f., but you can take any flat brush. Alright, and for eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this Covergirl Pencil Point Liner. Alright, so now moving on to mascara, I'm going to be grabbing Maybelline's Rocket Volume Express Mascara. Alright, so now moving on for blush, I'm going to be taking Naked Flush Straight palette. For my brow bone, I'm going to be taking this highlight from the same Urban Decay palette. This one right here. I'm going to be applying just a little bit. And also to my tear duct. Alright, so I'm going to be taking the gold highlight from the Carly Bible Deluxe palette. And I'm going to be taking this brush here. And even with a minimum amount of this highlight, you can already tell a big difference. So it's just a very, very beautiful highlight. Alright, so now moving on to the lips, I'm going to be taking this Clinique Chubby stick, and I don't have any I don't have a pencil to match this shade, but if you do have a pencil you can match it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Alright, so now to complete the look, I'm going to be applying my Mario Badesco setting spray.
Hold up.